Welcome to my channel. In this video, we see 100 most important and difficult abbreviations and acronyms for all students and competitive exam aspirants. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Full form of FAO. Answer: Food and Agriculture Organization. Full form of CRPF. Answer: Central Reserve Police Force. Full form of ECG. Answer: Electrocardiogram. Full form of TOEFL. Answer: Test of English as a Foreign Language. Full form of UGC. Answer: University Grants Commission. Full form of UNESCO. Answer: United Nations Economic, Social and Cultural Organization. Full form of ESNL. Answer: Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Full form of YMCA. Answer: Young Men's Christians Association. Full form of KEB. Answer: Central Advisory Board of Education. Full form of BCCI. Answer: Board of Control for Cricket in India. Full form of SN. Answer: Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Full form of BORG. Answer: Baba Atomic Research Center. Full form of LIC. Answer: Life Insurance Corporation of India. Full form of GST. Answer: Goods and Service Tax. Full form of IFSC. Answer: Indian Financial System Code. Full form of Interpol. Answer: International Police Organization. Full form of LAMPS. Answer: Large Sized Adivasi Multipurpose Societies. Full form of DRDO. Answer: Defense Research and Development Organization. Full form of BRICS. Answer: Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Full form of Ujala. Answer: Unnad Jyoti by Affordable Lets for All. Full form of ONGC. Answer: Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Full form of Radar. Answer: Radio Detection and Ranging. Full form of AIDS. Answer: Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Full form of ATM. Answer: Automated Teller Machine. Full form of ISRO. Answer: Indian Space Research Organization. Full form of LPG. Answer: Liquefied petroleum gas. Full form of LOC. Answer: Line of Control, Pakistan. Full form of LOAC. Answer: Line of Actual Control, China. Full form of RA. Answer: Research and Analysis Wing. Full form of SARC. Answer: South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Full form of UNICEF. Answer: United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Full form of WTO. Answer: World Trade Organization. Full form of VRS. Answer: Voluntary Retirement Scheme. Full form of YWCA. Answer: Young Women's Christians Association. Full form of CNG. Answer: Compressed Natural Gas. Full form of DVD. Answer: Digital Versatile Disc. Full form of EVM. Answer: Electronic Voting Machine. Full form of FEMA. Answer: Foreign Exchange Management Act. Full form of POTA. Answer: Prevention of Terrorism Act. Full form of PSLV. Answer: Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Full form of PTO. Answer: Please turn over. Full form of RTO. Answer: Regional Transport Officer. Full form of SCOPE. Answer: Standing Conference of Public Enterprises. Full form of AIMS. Answer: All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Full form of BSF. Answer: Border Security Force. Full form of DNA. Answer: Deoxyribonucleic acid. Full form of ELISA. Answer: Enzyme Linked Immunosorbent Assay. Full form of IBRD. Answer: International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Full form of MISA. Answer: Maintenance of Internal Security Act. Full form of NRI. Answer non-resident Indian. Full form of UPSC. Answer Union Public Service Commission. Full form of USSR. Answer Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Full form of WWW. Answer World Wide Web. Full form of Bell. Answer Bharat Electronics Limited. Full form of DTH. Answer Direct to Home. Full form of FCI. Answer one is Food Corporation of India, another one is Fertilizer Corporation of India. Full form of NASA. Answer National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Full form of GCC. Answer Gulf Cooperation Council. Full form of BIMSTEC. Answer Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Full form of ISO. Answer International Standard Organization. Full form of UNDP. Answer United Nations Development Program. Full form of REAR. Answer Real Effective Exchange Rate. Full form of IFC. Answer International Finance Corporation. Full form of LAF. Answer Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Full form of VOLTAS. Answer Online Tax Accounting System. Full form of PF. Answer Provident Fund. Full form of SEB. Answer First State Cooperative Bank, second Scheduled Commercial Bank. Full form of Pragati. Answer Proactive Governance and Timely Implementation. Full form of POTUS. Answer President of the United States. Full form of SBM. Answer Swachh Bharat Mission. Full form of CRR. Answer Cash Reserve Ratio. Full form of WPI. Answer Wholesale Price Index. Full form of MSME. Answer Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Full form of TPDS. Answer Targeted Public Distribution System. Full form of OECD. Answer: Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Full form of ASSOCHAM. Answer: Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. Full form of NAREDCO. Answer: National Real Estate Development Council. Full form of AMRUT. Answer: Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Full form of PRASAD. Answer: Pilgrimage, Rejuvenation and Spiritual Augmentation Drive. Full form of DFDR. Answer: Digital Flight Data Recorder. It's also called black box. Full form of DDA. Answer: Doha Development Agenda. Full form of NDTL. Answer: Net Demand and Time Liabilities. Full form of DBUM. Answer: Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Full form of IBC. Answer: Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Full form of FRDI. Answer: Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance. Full form of SUDI. Answer: Specified Undertaking for Unit Trust of India. Full form of HRIDE. Answer: Heritage City Development and Augmentation Yojana. Full form of Mudra. Answer: Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. Full form of DISCOMS. Answer: Distribution Companies. Full form of INSAT. Answer: Indian National Satellite. Full form of PMBJP. Answer: Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana. Full form of AFSPA. Answer: Armed Forces Special Power Act. Full form of ESCAP. Answer: Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific. Full form of Gandhi. Answer: Green Action for National Dandi Heritage Initiative. Full form of FICI. Answer: the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Full form of ICMR. Answer: Indian Council of Medical Research. Full form of NREP. Answer: National Rural Employment Program. Full form of TRAI. Answer: Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Full form of ZPG. Answer: Zero Population Growth. Full form of QRR. Answer, quick review report. If you like this video, like and share. In the comment section, tell how many full forms do you know previously. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.